California by my job, but like when I need extra money, I'll ask my local friends if they want to buy something.
This is the end of my.
I just sold a burger. Sure.
Oh, sorry. Oh, now I gotta put this in. String it through. Okay, but I'm gonna let you watch Allegra for a little bit while I do this. While I figure out something. Whoa, who's on here? I haven't even been paying attention. Sorry.
If they're watching, I'll put my blanket on the table.
Yeah, they're watching you, babe. And I zoomed out a little bit so they can see you a little bit more. Great, Vicky. LG, 1, 2, 3. Hello. Okay. Oh, sorry, LG. That is my daughter, Allegra. I think that Amy is telling you. She's the one who started this channel with me, and she has abandoned me.
I didn't abandon
Not-
you. It's always been your channel and you take them off. And
Not,
that's your job.
she doesn't abandon me in real life, but you know, she has her own life to live. You look so sweet, LG says.
Thank you. I'm wearing a bucket hat on a pattern
Thank you,
that my
Vicky.
mom did.
She is precious. But I won't tell her that. Oh yeah, she used one of my tutorials.
Yeah, so if y'all look, did you make a video?
I think so. Okay, so I'm gonna let them watch you for a little bit while I string this.
Okay guys, I'm just gonna be half double crocheting my border. I just winged my blanket pattern. I did a ripple stitch in the middle, and then for the border, I just gathered, since the ripple stitch is double crochet ripple stitch. When I went on the sides, I just put 2 single crochets into each double crochet side, like the sidebar is what I think they call it. And so it made it to where the blanket isn't too long on the side.
I'm at a coffee shop.
And then after I did the single crochets, I did a bobble stitch. And now I'm just going to do half double crochets around the entire border in stripes. And yeah, that'll be my typical blanket. Because I feel like I make rainbow blankets.
I know, but they're beautiful, and
But every rainbow blanket needs to be different. And I do not follow any patterns. But there's one, I'm following a pattern on one at home. But this one's going to take me a while. It's a bunch of miniature rainbow fans that I'm going to stitch together to make a giant rainbow fan.
I think we put pictures on here of it.
I think so. It's taking a long time because we need 38 fans, and each fan is, if y'all are US, it's 17 inches for one fan. So one piece is like, it just comes in a fan shape like this. So like that's probably the actual size of it. And I need 38 of those and then 14 half pairs. And I think I've only made about right under 20 of the big ones. But I've been working on that one as a side project since we made as well. But I made an all shades of different blue ripple blanket in May. And then I'm working on a granny square blanket, which my mom inserted in the Yarn Talk Monday video this week. She put a picture if y'all want to see.
Oh yeah. Okay, I'm gonna turn you around for a bit because I'm gonna show you something.
Yeah, they're trying to be glad.
They're not tired of you. I just don't want to show that little boy that's behind me. Okay, so I made the strap and now I'm weaving it through, and I decided my little pattern is going to be, I go in through one of the posts and then I'm gonna come in through 2, come back and have 2 on the outside, so you can see that each one has 2 posts. You can do whatever you want. You can do every other one. You can do it even, you know, like, but I started over here, or started inserting it, and it's going to meet back over here, and it's just, I'm going to, here's the leaf at this end, and I'm going to put a leaf on this one once I'm done, and I could just tie it. Just thought I'd show you. Who are you saying hi to, LG? I thought you already told me hi, but hi.
LG, my nickname is Leggy.
LG, yeah. My sister's name is, her initials are LG. Yeah. Let's have it here so you can see me
Can you
working.
ask all your viewers